What if I told you your brain decides who you're attracted to in less than a blink, before you even realize it? And even crazier, you might already be falling for someone without knowing why. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll start seeing attraction in a completely different way. And hey, before we dive in, drop a like, subscribe to SOHAG'S tutorials, and comment "love" if you've ever had a random crush that made no sense. Attraction feels magical, unpredictable, almost like fate. But behind the scenes, it's not random at all. Your brain is running a silent checklist, fast, automatic, and deeply psychological. And scientists have discovered it actually happens in three powerful stages. Let's break it down. Stage 1. Stimulus, the instant judgment. In just 0.15 seconds, your brain scans a face and asks, "Am I interested?" First, it picks up on patterns, familiarity, facial structure, even subtle genetic cues. Then comes something surprising. Your brain evaluates difference. There was a famous experiment where women rated men based only on the smell of their worn t-shirts. No looks, no voice, just scent. And guess what? They consistently preferred men whose immune systems were different from theirs. Why? Because deep down, your brain is thinking about survival, even if you're just thinking, "they smell nice." Then comes facial balance. For men, it's not about being extremely masculine. Too much can feel aggressive. The most attractive faces, a mix of strength and softness. And for women, softer, more feminine features tend to be rated as more attractive across cultures. But here's the twist. Just because someone is attractive doesn't mean you'll fall for them. That's where stage 2 kicks in. Stage 2, value. Do they fit your world? This is where things get personal. Attraction starts asking, does this person match my life, my goals, my energy? In one experiment, the same man was shown to two groups of women. One group was told he had a low-paying job, the other, a high-status career. Same face, different story. And suddenly, his attractiveness changed. Because attraction isn't just about looks. It's about perceived value, but it goes deeper. We are naturally drawn to people who mirror us, not copy us, but match our vibe. In another study, waitresses who simply repeated customers' words like subtle mirroring received way bigger tips. Why? Because people feel comfortable with those who feel familiar. That's also why sometimes you instantly click with someone. It's not luck, it's alignment. Stage 3, role. Can you fit together? Now comes the part most people ignore, compatibility. And here's something fascinating. You don't even need to talk to someone to start liking them. In a college experiment, one woman attended class regularly but never spoke. Another barely showed up. At the end, students rated the frequent attendee as more attractive, more interesting, even smarter. Why? Because of something called the mere exposure effect. The more we see someone, the more we like them. This explains why so many relationships start as friendships, or why you suddenly notice someone you've seen 100 times before. Consistency builds connection, even in silence. The shocking truth about attraction. Now here's where it gets wild. Your brain can confuse emotions. In one experiment, men who experienced fear, like crossing a shaky bridge, were way more likely to feel attracted to a woman they just met. Their brain mixed up fear with attraction. So sometimes that spark you feel, it might not be love, it might just be adrenaline. So the next time you feel drawn to someone, remember, it's not just chemistry, it's biology, it's psychology, it's patterns your brain has been building your entire life. And once you understand it, you stop chasing random attraction and start choosing meaningful connection. If this video made you see attraction differently, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to SOHAG'S tutorials for more mind-blowing psychology. And tell me in the comments, have you ever been attracted to someone and didn't know why? Let's talk.